What all checks should we perform before getting in and starting our cars? Considering the UAE, considering the weather right now,
I mean, car checks should always be done before you get into your car, but in summer it's more essential. Every time you get into your car, I think the basics are there. You would check the fuel level, you will check the mirrors, you will ensure the seatbelt is secured. By adding a few more in the summer, let's say just a quick go around the car, just look at the tires, ensure the tire pressure is adequate. It should not also be overinflated. There should not be signs of wear and cracks. When you're inside the car, just ensure there are no malfunction indicator lamps in the car. And just a final check would be a good check on the steering mechanism if that's not locking up and it's working fine.